In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put affiliate links on your Squarespace website. If you're ready to monetize your site through affiliate marketing, this tutorial is just what you need. We will walk you through the process of seamlessly adding affiliate links to your Squarespace website to help you start earning commissions from your site traffic. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're on the home screen, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click on this search bar, as it's a quick method to locate specific pages or features within Squarespace. In the search bar, type in the word product. This will allow you to easily find the section where you'll be able to add your affiliate products. Once you've typed in product, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on products. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll manage, edit, and add new products, including those affiliated products you intend to promote on your site. Now, to add a new product, you'll spot an Add Product button. Click on it. This action initiates the process of adding a product listing to your site. Here, you're given options for the type of product you wish to add. Since we are focusing on physical products, select the Physical option. At this point, you need to name your product. This will typically be the actual name of the product or whatever catchy title you believe will allure your audience. Type in the product name as you intend for it to appear to your visitors. With the product's name set, the next critical step involves the affiliate link. You'll need to obtain this link from your affiliate program or network. Once you have your link ready, you'll be heading back to your product setup page on Squarespace. In the product description area, you'll want to type in your affiliate link. This link will direct your visitors to the product you're promoting. It's crucial as it's the way by which you earn a commission for any sales made through your referral. Now it's time to add an image of the product. Find an appealing image that represents the product well, as visuals play a significant role in the selling process. Upload this image to make your product listing more attractive and enticing. To manage customer expectations about the product's availability, you'll need to set up the inventory for this product. Squarespace allows you to manage stock levels, so input the necessary details here if relevant. Finally, once everything is inputted and you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and click on Save. This ensures that all your changes are secure and live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added an affiliate link to your Squarespace website. This simple process is a great way to monetize your content, so start experimenting with different products to see what resonates most with your audience. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey.